Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany and today I want to show you guys how I made my daughter's DIY photo shoot at home. And I just want to share this with you guys because I thought it would be very helpful for those who want really professional looking pictures but don't want to spend the money to get those professional pictures because they can be pricey at times. So I have a little solution here. So I made this photo shoot for my daughter and it only cost me about $25. The flowers were about $15. The pearls were about $5. I had the bow and the bucket was from the Dollar Tree. So first I started to trim off the flowers and I'm getting them prepared so I can start organizing them. Okay, so now that that's done, now it's time to decorate around the bucket. So I just did some patterns. I did white, purple, white, added some green in there. You just kind of have to play with it and see what looks good. Take some stuff out, put some stuff in, and then just do whatever you think looks cute. And this is how it turned out, and I'm really loving it so far. Let's keep going. Now it's time to add the water. So I wanted it to look like a milk bath, so I went and added some breast milk, but you can absolutely add in some regular milk for this. So now it's time to add her in, and she looks so cute. But I made the mistake of putting way too much water, and so it started to flow out. So I had to take her out and then take some of the water out and then I put her back in. But yeah, I thought I'd leave this in here just so I can show that I made a mistake and that you don't have to make the same mistake I did. Okay, so now it's time for pictures and I added her back in. And I just want to mention that I did have my husband on the side helping me, making sure she didn't fall out or make sure she didn't put these flowers or beads in her mouth. You know, so if you can have someone help you, that would be great because you never know with these little ones. And then yeah, just start taking your pictures. She was a little mad at me, like she started crying, and this is one of the pictures, but oh my god, she looks so funny. I had to add this in here, but they came out so cute, guys. Like I just took these pictures on my phone and they turned out really well. So if you want to have a really cute photo shoot with your baby, you know, you don't want to spend over $100 on some pictures, then try these out. And if you do end up trying it, go ahead and tag me on Instagram so I can see your pictures. And you guys, thank you for watching. And until next time, bye.